Hi you guys, so I already showed you guys the part when we did the poster board and Kev was drilling in the initials. So now the second part is get your flowers, and you're gonna get the colors you want. In my case, I couldn't find a lot of flowers in the color I want, so I am going to spray paint them. So I already spray painted a few colors from Walmart. This was like $2 or something, and then I just got different flowers from Walmart and Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna spray paint them. And then once I'm done spray painting them, I am going to glue them on the poster board, and I will get back to you on that part. Hey guys, so this is what we got done with all the flowers that I had got. I don't know why I thought that was gonna be enough, but yeah, I will be making a trip to the Dollar Tree tomorrow and making sure I get more than enough. But yeah, this is what we got done so far with the flowers that I had. And I don't know if I want to do yellow in there, but I think I'm gonna just stick to these colors because I think yellow will like look weird and throw it off. So I think I'm gonna just stick to this. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how it's gonna look when it's completed. And I'm just gonna follow the same process, and then I may spray paint a couple of more as well, since we have to get more white and navy blue, because the gold and the black ones I had to spray paint those myself. Because hey you guys, so we in Dollar Tree getting some more flowers. We racking it up. I really like these bright white ones, but these off-white ones will do. Yeah, get some more of those white ones, those bright white ones.
I only got these.
There's some more in the back.
What do you know?
Not the same one, but I'm saying make sure it's bright white. Like we can do some of these.
I got those.
Get some more. And get some more roses. I like how the roses
You're going to have to
look.
spray paint them then. Because they red.
Yeah, I may just have to spray paint some because ain't much love. Ain't much love. We took everything.
What about these?
Yeah, we can do those. But yeah, y'all. I really recommend you guys hit up Dollar Tree for your backdrop. Now, if you was doing like a multicolor, colorful wall, you'll have way more options than me. But because I'm only using white, black, gold, and navy, that's why it's hard for us to get everything. But as you can see, it's a lot of options. So to make your wall, and it's only $1. So you know, you saving a lot compared to going to like Joann's or Hobby Lobby and stuff. They should be like $5 a flower. So yeah, hit up your local Dollar Trees. Like this our second Dollar Tree we going to get all the colors and flowers we need. And then we honestly may hit up a third one because I still don't think
You need,
this enough.
Plus the ones I had earlier.
Yeah, I don't think this enough. I think we
came up to like 30, so then therefore only had 30 of them. But you
right.
Know how they come though.
Right. So I think we probably need to go to one more Dollar Tree, then we'll be good to go. Like 100 more flowers should do it. All right. See you guys in a little bit.
I mean,
Hey you guys, I am back with the final results of the DIY board. Like I said in the beginning, I decided to do this back wall for my for when I do my videos and take my pictures, and also it was way more affordable than doing the neon light backdrop. That had ranged between $300 to $400 plus, and I was like, that is too much money. So that's how I end up going with the DIY floral decor wall. Like I said in the video, you guys don't have to do these colors. You can pick your own color scheme. These colors go with my brand, so that's how I end up going with these colors. But I just wanted to kind of just do a recap of everything that I had got to make this board, because I know in the video it was kind of like all over the place in different little pieces, because this project took about 3 days to complete, because I had to go find the flowers and go to different stores, etc., etc. So first thing first, we had got some of those foam poster boards. I got those from Walmart. So those foam poster boards was like $1.99 or $2.99, and I used 4 sections. So we did 2 on the top and 2 at the bottom, and that was that clip that Kev was drilling it into the wall. We chose to drill it into the wall because we did not know how heavy the flowers would be as an end result, and we did not want that to eventually weigh it down and make it fall. So what we did, we ended up just drilling it into the wall, getting some of the little screws, and we drilled those foam poster boards into the wall. So once we drilled those foam poster boards into the wall, so you will need a little drill machine, but those are really affordable at Walmart. And then those poster boards was either $1.99 or $2.99. And then these letters, as you can see in the video I showed you, I got those from Hobby Lobby. This ended up being perfect for me because my the main color scheme of my business is gold and white, and I just added an accent of black and navy blue in there. So when I seen these at Hobby Lobby, I was like, oh my god, these are perfect, because they was already spray painted and ready for me. And these was originally $11.99 a piece, but of course your girl love a good deal. They was 50% off when I got them, so that made it $6 a piece. So I was really, really happy that I caught those on sale. And then all the flowers, I got flowers between Dollar Tree, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, and Joann's. Those are the 4 places that I went to for flowers. Mind you, I highly, highly recommend the Dollar Tree. Why? Because it's $1. So majority of all these flowers came from the Dollar Tree, because that's way more affordable than Joann's, Michael's, and Hobby Lobby. And when the only reason why I went to Joann's, Hobby Lobby, and Michael is to get these black flowers. So that's the only reason why I went to them craft stores, because I was tired of spray painting. But if you don't want to pay all that money to do Hobby Lobby flowers, and you can't find a coupon, just get some dollar spray paint from Walmart and spray paint them, because this one is a spray painted flower that I did. So that would be another alternative option. Hope you guys give this DIY a try, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Your girl, you know your girl always love a good DIY, and I will be back with another one soon. Bye.